Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yellow curry paste. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about a 2-inch piece of fresh turmeric, 2 stalks of lemongrass, and a 1-inch piece of galangal. Don't forget about 6 dried red chilies, 2 shallots, and 4 cloves of garlic. We'll also use 1 teaspoon of kaffir lime zest, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/2 teaspoon of white peppercorns. Finally, a small amount of shrimp paste is key. Now, let's prepare everything for blending. Start by soaking your dried red chilies in hot water for about 15 minutes until they are soft. While they soak, roughly chop your fresh turmeric, lemongrass, and galangal. Next, lightly toast the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and white peppercorns in a dry pan over medium heat for about 1 minute until fragrant. This step really enhances their flavor. Finally, peel and chop your shallots and garlic. It's time to transform these ingredients into a vibrant paste. First, drain your softened chilies and remove the seeds if you prefer less heat. Place all the prepared fresh aromatics, toasted spices, shallots, garlic, and chilies into a food processor. Add the kaffir lime zest and the shrimp paste. Begin blending, adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or oil as needed to achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Scrape down the sides frequently. Once your yellow curry paste is ready, proper storage is important. Transfer the paste to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For longer storage, you can freeze the paste in small, individual portions, which will last for several months. When you're ready to cook, simply use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of paste per curry dish, adjusting to your taste preference. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.